Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we are going to unbox and have a product review of the latest items that I bought from the Levi's store. It is located at Harbor Point Mall in Subic Freeport. So let me show you these items. The first item that I have here is the Jackson work shirt. This is regular fit in size small. This is made of 100% cotton and relaxed fit, and it's very nice. It has two pockets at the front, and it is long sleeves, and you have buttons on the hem of the sleeves. This is almost 2,000 pesos, but I got 20% discount, so it amounted to 1,500 or 1,600. The next item is their Levi's XX or XX Chino pants. In red. I think this is my second Levi's pants in Chino in red. The other one is a corduroy. This is an easy taper. The price is 2,199 pesos, but I was able to get a 20% discount, so it is almost 2,000 pesos. This is size small, and this is made in Cambodia. And we will have a fitting of this. Actually, I have it hemmed to inseam 28 inches. So we will see on the fitting. You have two pockets in front, and then at the back you have two pockets with the right pocket with a button, while the left pocket is without any button. It appears that it has a garter on the waist. So this thing fits from 30 inches waist to size 32 or 31. The third item is denim pants. This is a Silvertab Levi's. This is 3,299, but I was able to get a 20% discount off. And this is the Silvertab loose jeans, and this is waist size 29. This was very popular during the 90s, wherein you have a very loose cut. It says loose. This is made in Bangladesh. It is 100% cotton, and as usual, we have the two pockets in front with one small pocket, which is the coin pocket, and it has rivets on the pockets, and it has a zipper. It's a zipper, and it does not have any buttons, only one button at the topmost. And then at the back, the usual earthquake Then the tab, this is silver because this is a silver tab Levi's. You see how this loose denim will fit, and the fabric is stone wash, as this was the one which had been very popular during the 90s. You have stone wash denim fabric. So we'll have the fit video later. By the way, this work shirt from Levi's could be paired with this red chino, or it could be paired with this stonewash loose fit silver tab denim jeans. So we'll find out during the fit video.